guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're making Cloud Slime Project Slimes Kit. So this is a slime. This is a cloud slime. So we have a materials. So I have water right here. I have a cup of full water. You need this. There. And I have one half cup. Like this, look at it. 1/2 cup, and I have a bowl, clean bowl. This is there. So let's open. Sorry. Here is the glue, leave, and here is all we need. Our slime. This is our container, so we can put the slime. So let's set aside for this. First. So here, sorry guys, just wait. Oh no. There. So guys, here's the instructions right here. You see some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are instructions you need. So we have instant snow. Instant snow. I like snow. So here's the food coloring. So we can color our slime. And here is the activator. Borax, here's the activator. So let's first set aside these ones. And I'll just put it right there in the container. So let's see the instructions. Cloud slime, sorry guys. Cloud slime. Instructions, card, project slime. Add 1/2 cup of glue onto a bowl. So we have 1 cup. Here's our 1 cup. 1/2 cup. So we will just put the glue. Need to pop. So we need a scissor so we can cut it. So I know what to do now. So we'll just cut it a little bit. And I have a good idea. Let's put it. This look like this is gonna be a long time. Ooh, look like a fountain. So satisfying, guys. Cut only a little bit and like this, and you just pour. It's look like you're making a fountain, and it's melting. Fountain melting. Fountain melting. So this is kind of hard to take along for a while. Whoa, this is so satisfying. If you go faster, it's look like circle. It's wowing. I think it's gonna pop. Let's just cut a big one. No, don't cut the big one. Look like you're making cake. Like this though. Look. This is a cake, right? And just like decorating, right? I'm super smart. Use your brain, guys, okay?
Put everything.
So, guys, I will put everything. I have no more glue. I don't know. I'll just go take it. Okay, that's kinda enough. It's going to my platform. I think this will be full. Those are a lot of glue. Okay. And go. So guys, here it is guys, here it is guys, our glue report. So we need, it's not full though, that's okay, right? So we will put it right here carefully. Don't spill. Yeah, don't spill it. so satisfying. me a spoon. I think that's enough. There's one more glue. Stop. I'll just wait. Oh, just wait, guys. I have an idea. I will get some spoon. Oh, I have a plastic spoon. Here, guys, I have a spoon. This can help. Yeah. If you have none of these ones. So I need this, and I'll scrape it. So all the glue will come out. I don't want to waste my glue. It's gotta be my mixer now. There. Let's set aside if you need it. So that, and add food coloring, just a few drops for a lighter color. So let's get the food coloring. Let's taste it. No taste. So let's add a little. My tongue. My tongue. My tongue is red. So let's add a little bit of food coloring so it will be lighter. One more. I have none. It didn't taste good. Sorry. So I need to get a bowl again. I have 4 bowls of these ones. So just put there. There. And done. Now let's get 3 steps. Number 3. We will do the activator now. So add drops of slime activator until desired consistency is achieved. Okay, so let's see the mini instructions right here. Instructions for slime activator. Add 1 cup of water onto a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of borax. 1 tablespoon. Like this? 1 tablespoon. Oh, add 1 tablespoon. Just wait, I'll get my tablespoon. I have these ones. So where's the tablespoon? So I have tablespoon right here. Where's the tablespoon? Oh, there.
EBSP.
Here it is.
EBSP.
1 tablespoon. Here it is, guys. 1 tablespoon. So let's get the borax. So let's set aside these first. Ah, not there. You can't see my face. You can't. There. And I have water right here. Be careful, okay? Nanay, I need these ones. Nanay talked. That is my nanay. There. Nice. Nanny is disturbing my video. So here's the borax. Now we will just put all, I think. If it's full now. Now let's open it carefully. Now put it. It looks like salt. I want to taste the salt. It looks like salt there. I smell it. So here it is. So it's not full. That's okay. Now let's put it. Oh, it looks like snow. If you put it all, it look like bomb shattered. Whoa! Now let's mix it. Mix it very well, okay? Does it smell good? There, it's done. Now let's set aside. Now let's get the glue. Ah! Now step 4. Add instant snow onto the mixture. What's mixture? Here? Oh, we have snow. Here it is, guys. Instant snow. We will put it all. We will put it all. So here, with glue. So let's put it all. I think we'll be fluffy. Yeah. Let's put it. Don't be close because I don't know. There. Trash. And I will mix. Put the activator. Oh, I will. There's instruction number 5. Mix and knead the mixture. Mix in. Oh, you first mix it and put that. I think we need to put that in this. Put first this. So let's put some activator. A little bit, Mom. Drops only. So 1. Whoa. That's it. That's it. So guys, now let's mix it. I want my slime to be fluffy, not hard. Yeah. Oh, it didn't smell good. So let's mix it. It didn't kind of look slime. Now let's put a little bit more.
Mix it already.
I mixed it already. Look, my mom is teaching me. See? So let's put it a little bit more. 2. So I put 2. Now let's stir it. Whoa. I don't want to use my hands because my hands are clean. This is it. Yeah. Whoa, it looks like slime, guys. That's the mixing. Look like food. It's not edible, okay? It looks like baby food. It looks like baby food. You want baby food? Here, baby food. Oh, you don't want? Okay. I want to texting. Okay. Let's put it. Yay. Did you hear that? Oh. Is this okay? It's sticky. One more activator. A little bit of corn drop. There. Only one drop. It will be going to slime. It's turning slime. It's kind of sticky. Let's mix it first. Ow. My hands are out. No. So guys, this slime we need just like handing. Yeah. Need to hand. So let's put it.
That one. Okay guys.
So we need to knead it. So let's if it didn't work, I need activator. All those face like that. That's okay if your hand is not clean or clean, that's okay. I need activator, Mama. Put some activator in my hands. Okay, that's enough. I have a bowl right here. So if the activator is... It's not working. Oh, it's kind of working a little bit. It's super fluffy. One more. Okay. I think this should really work. This is not super... Now please mix the... Look at my hands, guys. But it's super satisfying though. Now just get all the slime right here. Spread right here. Just mixing, Mom. Mama don't want to join in the video, so let's go. Ah! It's kind of a little bit of working with all the activators. I feel that in my real life session. So one more activator, like 2 or 3. 2. I don't care if it's like... Oh, it's working. If 2. Oh no. Oh, it's kind of a little bit of working. Can you take off this mode? Just like put it right there. Okay, thank you, Mama. One more activator, Mama. In my sleeve mixture. This is super strong slime. Why? Why? It's super strong. And it's only skimming my hands. One more activator, Mama. Wait. Go. Okay. It's all ready to be done tonight. I think this is slime super sticky. I made slime that was 5 years old. I'm doing great of making slime. Mom, activator. What'd you do? Oh, it's kind of working, guys. It's getting off into my hand. One more activator, Mama. 3 cups now. 3 tablespoons. Okay. There, it's working. I want to be soft, not like this. Now, so guys, here it is, our slime. I think we might have a fail, but we do our best to do it. It's kind of a little bit spidey. Ow, my eye. And sticky. But we try our best. Next time, if I am doing slime again, I will do better. So, I need my container. I can't open it. I need first to take off these ones. I will put it there as a god. What? This is kind of big one. Seriously? I'll just take it inside. So guys, I hope you like my video and please subscribe, click the bell button and share. Okay guys, and see you guys next time. Bye!